Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Life School. In today's Uzbek language lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in Uzbek language. By the end of this lesson, you will able to say things like Men soat 7'da uyg'onaman. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Men ertalab nonushta qilaman. I have breakfast in the morning. Men soat 8'da ishga boraman. I go to work at 8 o'clock. Kechqurun kitob o'qiyman. I read a book in the evening. And at the end of the lesson, you will able to describing your own daily routine entirely in Uzbek language. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's learn some of the most useful verbs for talking about our daily activities. Our first verb is uyg'onmoq, to wake up. Uyg'onmoq. Men ertalab uyg'onaman. Men ertalab uyg'onaman. Turmoq, to get up. Turmoq. Men soat 7'da turaman. Turmoq. Yuvinmoq, to wash up. Yuvinmoq. Men ertalab yuvinaman. Men yuzimni yuvaman. Men tishlarimni tozalayman. Kiyinmoq, to get dressed. Kiyinmoq. Men ertalab kiyinaman. Kiyinmoq. Nonushta qilmoq, to have breakfast. Nonushta qilmoq. Men soat 8'da nonushta qilaman. Nonushta qilmoq, to have breakfast. Bormoq, to go. Bormoq. Men ishga boraman. Okay? Ishlamoq, to work. Ishlamoq. Men ishlayman. O'qimoq, to study or to read. O'qimoq. Okay? Tushlik qilmoq, to have lunch. Tushlik qilmoq. Men soat 1'da tushlik qilaman. Uyga qaytmoq, to return home. Uyga qaytmoq. Men soat 6'da uyga qaytaman. Uyga qaytmoq. Dam olmoq, to relax. Dam olmoq. Men ishdan keyin dam olaman. Dam olmoq. Ovqat tayyorlamoq, to cook. Ovqat tayyorlamoq. Men kechqurun ovqat tayyorlayman. Kechki ovqat yemoq, to eat dinner. Kechki ovqat yemoq. Men oilam bilan kechki ovqat yeyman. Televizor ko'rmoq, to watch TV. Televizor ko'rmoq. Men kechqurun televizor ko'raman. Uxlamoq, to sleep. Uxlamoq. Men soat 11'da uxlayman. Okay? Now that we know some important verbs, let's learn a new few useful time expressions, like in the morning, in the afternoon. Ertalab means in the morning. Ertalab. For example, men ertalab choy ichaman. I drink tea in the morning. Men ertalab choy ichaman. Tushda. Tushda means at noon or during the daytime. Tushda. Tushdan keyin. Tushdan keyin means in the afternoon. For example, men tushdan keyin ishlayman. I work in the afternoon. Men tushdan keyin ishlayman. Kechqurun. Kechqurun means in the evening. Men kechqurun kitob o'qiyman. I read a book in the evening. Men kechqurun kitob o'qiyman. Kechasi at night. For example, men kechasi soat 11'da uxlayman. I sleep at 11 at night. Men kechasi soat 11'da uxlayman. Har kuni. Har kuni means every day. Men har kuni ishlayman. I work every day. Men har kuni ishlayman. Okay? Odatda. Odatda means usually. Odatda. Men odatda ertalab qahva ichaman. I usually drink coffee in the morning. Men odatda ertalab qahva ichaman. Ba'zan. Ba'zan means sometimes. Men ba'zan kechqurun televizor ko'raman. Sometimes I watch TV in the evening. Okay? Okay. How do we say at 7 o'clock or at 9 o'clock? In Uzbek language, we add da to the time. For example, soat 7, right? It means 7 o'clock. But we want to say at 7 o'clock. We are adding da. For example, soat 7da at 7 o'clock. Okay, for example, men soat 7da uyg'onaman. I wake up at 7. Men soat 7da uyg'onaman. Men soat 8da nonushta qilaman. I have breakfast at 8. Men soat 8da nonushta qilaman. Men soat 9da ishga boraman. I go to work at 9. Men soat 9da ishga boraman. Okay, rule, we are adding da to the time to say at the time. Okay. Let's say example. Men har kuni ertalab soat 7da uyg'onaman. I wake up at 7 every day in the morning. Let's break down. Men, subject I, har kuni every day, frequency ertalab in the morning, time soat 7da, at 7 specific time uyg'onaman, I wake up, action, verb. Okay? Now we are going to read a complete daily routine. First, listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Let's start. Mening kundalik hayotim. Salom. Mening ismim Dilnoza. Men 26 yoshdaman va Toshkentda yashayman. Men har kuni ertalab soat 7da uyg'onaman. Uyg'onganimdan keyin yuzimni yuvaman va tishlarimni tozalayman. Keyin kiyinaman. Soat 7:30da nonushta qilaman. Nonushtada odatda tuxum, non va pishloq yeyman. Ertalab choy ichishni ham juda yaxshi ko'raman. Soat 8da uydan chiqaman. Ish joyim uyimdan unchalik uzoq emas. Men odatda avtobusda ishga boraman. Soat 9da ishlashni boshlayman. Soat 1da tushlik qilaman. Tushlikdan keyin yana ishlayman. Kechqurun soat 6da ishdan chiqaman va uyga qaytaman. Uyga kelganimdan keyin biroz dam olaman. Keyin kechki ovqat tayyorlayman. Ovqatdan keyin ba'zan kitob o'qiyman. Ba'zan esa televizor ko'raman. Odatda kechasi soat 11da uxlayman. Okay? Now let's understand this story. This is my typical day. Hello, my name is Dilnoza. I am 26 years old and live in Tashkent. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. After wake up, I wash my face and brush my teeth, then I get dressed. At 7:30, I have breakfast. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs, bread, and cheese. I also really enjoy drinking tea in the morning. At 8 o'clock, I leave home. My workplace is not very far from my home. I usually take the bus to work. At 9 o'clock, I start working. At 1 o'clock, I have lunch. After lunch, I continue working. In the evening, I finish work at 6 o'clock and go home. After I get home, I rest for a little while, then I prepare dinner. After dinner, I sometimes read a book and sometimes I watch TV. I usually go to sleep at 11 o'clock at night. This is my typical day. Now, here's your challenge. Try to talk about entire daily routine in Uzbek language. Use this template if you need help. Great job, everyone! Today you learned how to talk about your daily routine in Uzbek language. You learned important daily routine verbs, time expressions, and how to tell what time you do something and how to describe your day using complete Uzbek language sentence. Now I have one question for you. Siz ertalab soat nechada uyg'onasiz? What time do you wake up in the morning? Write your answer in Uzbek language in the comments below. For example, men ertalab soat 7da uyg'onaman. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Modern Life School, and continue practicing Uzbek language with me. Thank you so much for watching.